To me, the best part about being in Vermont is living in a place so filled with life. Vermont is special because of the nature, the people, and the beauty of our lifestyles. But to me, the best parts of Vermont are its animals and the wildlife that make this state a haven. The reason why I wanted to create a video of all these animals is because I love seeing them and hearing them each day. Hearing them make noises is nicer than hearing cars go by each minute during the day. I enjoy seeing what they do to protect their family and for themselves. During the spring and summer, I like to collect nuts for the squirrels and chipmunks that I have out back of my house. I save some up so I can give them some during the winter in case they run out. I have this weird connection with the animals. It's like I can understand them and they can understand me when I focus on them. My Vermont story is animals.